next comes the geometric mean. நம்ம போன வீடியோல என்ன பார்த்தோம்? Arithmetic mean பார்த்தோம். So what is your arithmetic mean? AM of A comma B is nothing but A plus B by 12. So same way, what is my geometric mean of A comma B? It is nothing but root of AB. When you have 2 is your A and 8 is your B. So what is my geometric mean? Center la irukra number enna? It is root of A times B, which is 8 times 2, which is root 16, 4. About 2, 4, 8 is a geometric progression. So that's why 4 is the geometric mean. Do you see why? 4 divided by 2 is 2, 8 divided by 4 is 2. Common ratio same. Another the given sequence is a geometric progression. So what is your geometric mean? It is root of AB. What is your arithmetic mean? It is A plus B divided by 2. So what is the general form of a geometric mean? What do you have? You have A is your first term. You have a few geometric means in between. You have G1, G2, G3 until Gm. You have M terms and you have P. So what do you have? This is your A. This is your AR. This is your AR square. What do you see? G1 AR1. G2 AR square. G3 is AR cube. What is your GM? It is AR to the power M. Appo B ennago? It will be AR to the power M plus 1. So basically your B is AR power M plus 1, where A is your first term. Correct? A is your first term. So when you equate, you have B equals AR to the power M plus 1, where M is the number of geometric means in between. Total number of terms kadayadu. Number of geometric means. Okay? So what do you have? B by A equals R to the power M plus 1. இப்போ எனக்கு இந்த பவர்ல இருக்கிற M plus 1 வேண்டாம் on this side. I wanted to bring it to the other side. So what do? You have B divided by A equals R to the power M plus 1. In order to get rid of this M plus 1, I'm going to raise the power to 1 divided by M plus 1. You see why? M times 1 divided by M plus 1, M plus 1 and M plus 1 will get cancelled. One side raise panna, on the other side you have to raise it to the power 1 divided by M plus 1. So what do you have? R equals B divided by A times divided by A to the power 1 by M plus 1. So இப்போ உங்களோட G1 என்ன? What is your G1? G1 is nothing but AR. What is your R? You just found out. It is B divided by A times 1 by M plus 1. This is your first term. So what will be your GM? It will be AR to the power M, which is A times B by A to the power M by M plus 1. Clear? So this is your mth term of the geometric mean. And this is your general formula. Okay? So let's solve some example questions and you'll have a better clarity of it. Example 17. Insert three numbers between 1 and 256, resulting them in a GP, abina geometric means. So you have 1, G1, G2, G3, 256. You are inserting three numbers between 1 and 256 such that the resulting sequence is a GP. Okay? So what is your A? AR, AR square, AR cube, AR to the power 4. So how many terms do you have? You have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 terms. What is your A? 1. What is your AR to the 4? 256. So I'm substituting 1 for A. I have R power 4 equals, I need to write this to the power of 4. So let me do some prime factorization. 256. 4 times 4 6 are, 4 4s are, 4 1 times 4 6 are, 4 times 4. So what is it? 4 to the power 4. Since the powers are equal, the bases are also equal. So R equals 4. So now I know what my A is and what my R is. So I need to find what my G1 is, what my G2 is and what my G3 is. So G1 equals AR, which is 1 times 4. G2 another AR square, which is 1 times 4 square, 16. What is my G3? AR cube, which is 1 times 4 cube, which is 64. So what is my resulting GP? 1, 4, 16, 64, 256. So this is the resulting GP. And what are your geometric means? 4, 16 and 64. Okay. You should also know this. What do you see here? You have r power 4 equals 4 to the power 4. So r square, when you have r square equals 4 square, you don't simply write r equals 4. Because when you take the square root, r equals square root of 4 square, you get plus or minus 4. Here we have completely neglected the negative symbol, which you should not do. So when you consider the negative symbol also, in that your r value is either 4 or your r value is also minus 4. Correct? And you have 4 different roots. R to the power 4 will have 4 different roots. You have 2 roots which are 4 and you have 2 roots which are minus 4. Correct? So don't omit the negative symbol. So what is your other GP? So this is when your r is 4. What if your r is minus 4? You have your G1 is AR, which is minus 4. Your G2 is AR square, which is minus 4 the whole square. 1 times minus 4 the whole square, which is 16. Your G3 is 1 times minus 4 the whole cube, which is minus 64. So, what is your GP? 1, minus 4, 16, minus 64, 256. Okay? So, don't neglect the negative symbol because you have r to the power 4. Now, it is more similar to taking the square root mari. In the root of 4, 4th root. Correct? So, you have 4 different roots of which you have the roots 4, 4, minus 4, minus 4. Okay? Now we are going to solve questions which have a combination of both arithmetic mean and geometric mean. Okay? So example 18. It is given that the arithmetic mean and geometric mean of two positive numbers a, b are 10 and 8. Appa arithmetic mean vandu 10. Geometric mean is 8. Find the numbers. So you have the two numbers to be a, b. So what is your arithmetic mean? Arithmetic mean is a plus b divided by 2 equals 10. What is your geometric mean? Root ab equals 8. I want to remove this root. Upper squaring on both sides. What do I have? ab equals 64. So now what do I have here? A plus b equals 20. So what is one way of solving this kind of equation? A, b kandupidikkanum. So what is one way? I can write b as 64 divided by a and then substitute for b here. A plus 64 divided by a equals 20. You get a quadratic equation. So this is one way of solving. I'll tell you another way of solving this, which is given in your textbook also. So it is very, very easy. When you solve some complicated questions, it is very, very easy. So basically, what is your a minus b the whole square? It is a square minus 2ab plus b square. When I am going to add a plus 4ab on both sides. So I am going to add plus 4ab here and plus 4ab here. So what do I have? A minus b the whole square plus 4ab equals a square minus 2ab plus 4ab will become plus 2ab plus b square. A square plus 2ab plus b square another a plus b the whole square. So I have a minus b the whole square equals a plus b the whole square. In the 4ab term I am bringing it to the right. So I have minus 4ab. So why am I doing this? I have a plus b term. I have the ab term. So it is easier to solve this. You will get a minus b. A plus b theriyo, a minus b theriyo. It is easy to do the substitution. Okay. So always follow this method when you are solving questions which have combinations of arithmetic mean and geometric mean. So let me substitute. So a minus b the whole square equal to a plus b the whole square. Another 20 square. Minus 4 times, what is my AB? 64. So 20 square is 400 minus 256. A minus b the whole square is 144. Now a minus b in a square root of 144, which is plus or minus 12. So when my a minus b is 12, what will be my a and b? I have a minus b equals 12, a plus b equals 20. Now cancel panna enna agum? 2a equals 32, a equals 16. Now b enna? B equals 20 minus a from here. So b equals 20 minus 16, 4. So a value on this 16, b is 4. This is when a minus b equals 12. When a minus b equals minus 12, I have a minus b is minus 12, a plus b is 20, this gets cancelled, 2a equals 8, a equals 4. A 4 na b enna? 20 minus 4, which is 16. So when a is 16, b is 4. When a is 4, b is 16. Okay, that's it.